we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's flat pack grill time, baby. We are back in Indian Bread Rocks, Arizona. This is a free BLM area to camp at. We got one of the last spots. And we're just gonna make some lunch. Grill up some carne asada.
Carne asada.
Some meats that Dave's marinated, and then I've got peppers, got onions, mushrooms, all kinds of yummy stuff. Guess what we saw this morning? It was about 11 o'clock, broad daylight. We're both in the van. We saw a cat, and it took my brain just a second to figure out it wasn't a domestic cat. Well, first I was like, why is there a cat out here? Where's it? There's no houses nearby, anything. So I looked at its face closer. It was a little bit of ways across this little road.
You were in the bed looking out the window on that side, and you saw it down there.
Yeah, so I saw it right over here somewhere. Right over here across where we pulled in at. And its face had like its hair went like this down. Does that make sense? Like to a point. So
Arizona Wildcat.
Yeah, I was really excited. Dave saw it too, barely just coming through the cactus.
I was sitting in the passenger seat when she said it, and I looked, and just there's a bee flying.
Woo!
Just in that last little open spot in the cactus right there, it just walked right across there.
Yeah, it was kind of like in this area.
Then I could just see a little bit of movement, and then it just disappeared. Never saw it again, but super cool. It's pretty rare to see a bobcat.
So, especially broad daylight, so that kind of concerned me. We're keeping Pistol really close, but we're gonna put the game cam out tonight. Just see what, maybe it prowls around at night too, or maybe we know someone else that came here and they saw a coatimundi. Is that how you pronounce it? I've seen one in real life, but it was somebody's pet, and I didn't see it up close, but I saw them walking it. So that would be really neat to see too. So,
alrighty,
let's get some grub on. While he's getting the briquettes going for the meat, I'm going to work on a sauce. So I think I'm going to throw together pickled jalapenos, avocado, cilantro, lime, salt. What else? I think that's about it. We'll see who makes a cut. Oh, garlic. Lots of garlic. I think that's gonna be good. I don't want it too thin. This will be nice. How we doing?
Doing good.
Oh, it looks so good. Look at all this flav. You hear that, guys?
Yeah, it smells good.
Can you smell what the vagabonds are cooking? Thing of beauty. Time for the meats. Oh my gosh, you guys. Tortilla's going down. The meat's done. Veggies are done. That was delicious.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. And now we have campfire. Nice. What are our plans for tomorrow?
Plans?
Is that too far ahead?
Well, I think we're planning to leave tomorrow, but
Yeah.
I don't want to leave too early.
Maybe I'll do some yoga. I'm going to do yoga in the morning and a workout. I have to start doing, getting a regular schedule again.
And I'm definitely going to run.
Doesn't it feel good to be back in our element?
My bones are dry.
My skin's dry. My nose is dry.
My
Everything's
throat's dry right now, too.
All right. We'll see you guys in the morning. For a hike this morning. It's just a beautiful morning, but we're gonna head back to the van, head down the road, see where we end up tonight. We don't really know.
No, I don't have a clue where we're staying tonight.
See you down there. Carry
Carry on.
on.
For asleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in